we are, the more powerful. We can draw an inference from the United States of America, where even the state could be larger than our present country. And yet, their unity, there lies the strength. I'm happy. You, particularly and your officers, you have held Nkwerre together in London. History, people do not know when they make history. All of you, the chiefs, the Nzes, that we're able to gather together, look at our children. You may not know when you're inscribing your name in the annals of history of Nkwerre. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
I will not forget this particular impression. The impression is so great.
Thank you, sir.
Nkwerre, ihe na-eriwu omume. Enwere ike inye onye Nkwerre anụ ehi n'ugwu a na-agaghị eri. Mr. President, I want to thank you again. Thank you, sir. Ndị chiefs bụ nnọọ ndị nze, ndị dimkpa anyị, Nkwerre anyị mechiri ihe onye toro ịkpọ ya nwekorobịa. We have stopped that nonsense. Onye toro nwetoro, akwari nwegwu ịkwari aga. Ọ na-emụtara nwa echiri Father ta Reverend Father. Aga na church gozi oriri so ya gebunu mutere ebutukwe ya gebunu so age is not the barrier. Are you getting what is the problem? What is our norms and values that translated into our tradition, our culture? The people's culture is the totality of their way of life. Why their tradition is the systematic transfer of this culture from one generation to the other. We have to cause. Thank you. And may God bless all of you. Thank you, sir. To my young ones, before I go, I will take a special picture with you people, which I will display at the palace of Nkwerre. So anytime you come back, because
the Vice President Nkwerre is also worldwide. Yes, welcome.
What happened is your chef photo with Majesty. Okay, yeah, man. All right, so you guys, your placard.